Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're so well and I hope that life is treating you better than this week has been treating me. If you follow me on my Instagram or if you watched last week's vlog, you would have seen that life's been throwing some curveballs at me recently, and one thing that always makes me feel better if I'm having a bit of a tough week is baking. So you have no idea how thrilled I was this morning when my bake-off box arrived, because I was like, it's a sign. I'm gonna film my bake-off box video today. You and me can chill out, do a little bit of baking together. It's gonna be great, I can't wait, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm wearing a little bit more of a booby top than usual today for the video. I just wanted to wear this lemon top because it's fitting to the theme. It's also gonna be filmed a little bit differently today because if you watched the vlog, my lens broke for me yesterday, and that is the lens I use to film the kind of down shots of me baking. I'm gonna do it a little bit more casually today, front on me just baking with you here rather than the overlooking shot. Sorry about that, but that's just the way things have to be today. Let's get baked. So today we are going to be baking lemony lemon slices, as they've been called. Why is that so funny to me? Lemony lemon slices. And speaking of lemons, that seamlessly, that is quite the transition, leads us on to today's sponsor. I'm so excited that today's vlog is kindly sponsored by Wild Natural Deodorant. The reason why this is relevant is because my favourite scent is the lemon meringue. It's their new fragrance. It smells like actual lemon meringue pie. Oh my god, it makes my mouth water. It smells so good. If you've never heard of Wild, I don't know where you've been. It is the leading natural deodorant company. It's aluminium, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and the most standout thing about it is the sustainability of this brand. Here is my Wild deodorant. It's got my name on it, and it's this adorable pink metal casing, and you buy the refills. So let me show you a fresh one. Look at the color of that. Isn't that the most gorgeous coral? So it comes in completely recyclable packaging, and you get these refills which are 100% compostable, which is amazing. So I have fresh cotton and sea salt, as well as orange zest, which I love the scent of this one as well. The refillable cartons are made of bamboo pulp, which is so cool, and it means it's also completely compostable. It's a no waste brand. You can choose what color you want your case to be. I went for pink because I'm loving pink at the moment. And there is also 7 different fragrances. The box fits through your letterbox. You can either just purchase a one-off or make it a subscription so that you keep getting your refills through when you run out of deodorant, which is something that the majority of us use. So choosing to go for a more eco-friendly deodorant is great because everyone uses deodorant. And if you think about how many plastic deodorant packages you throw away, like, it really adds up. I think this is an amazing brand that I've heard so many people talk about that I was really excited to try. Like, the deodorant itself works. I'm a very sweaty girl. I'm a gym goer, gym lover, and I was a little bit skeptical at first because it doesn't clog your pores, which is kind of the selling point of natural deodorant, but I haven't found that to make it any less effective. And the lemon meringue scent is so good. I smell as good as I look right now. And they also have a charity partner on a mission, which is an incredible foundation. So every deodorant that gets sold, they will donate money to On a Mission, which is a plant planting initiative, and they have already helped to plant 20,000 trees, which is obviously amazing. So I will link Wild down below for you guys, and if you use the code EMMA20 you'll get 20% off of your first order, which is amazing. Let me know what you guys think. What fragrance do you want? What color are you gonna go for? I'd love to know. So thank you so much to Wild for sponsoring this video. And speaking of lemons, let's get baked, baby. As always, let's go through the box. You will have seen that last month I didn't get my recipe card, but it did come this month, so that's great. Wow, okay, cool. That's cool. This is very cool. Sorry, ignore my quite phallic microphone. This month, the item is a zester. It's gonna be nice to have a zester specifically for lemons and fruits because we just use our cheese grater. So I'm excited to have an actual zester. We have fondant icing sugar, caster sugar, flour, a tiny little jar of lemon curd, which if you watched a couple of vlogs back, I made my own lemon curd for the first time. So I'm gonna see whether it's better than my lemon curd. And then some candied lemon rounds. Let me put this on my completed There we go. As well as those ingredients, you also need to get your own things. So you're gonna need unwaxed lemons, 4 medium eggs, unsalted butter, softened. So I'm gonna leave this out now while I talk to you. You need whole milk and 4 eggs. I'm excited. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees. I need 200 grams of butter. This was one of the best things I ever bought. Oh, this is gonna be precarious. Honestly, after the week I've had, I don't think being precarious is something I should be doing. 200 grams of softened unsalted butter. Oh my god. This is why we wear aprons. Much better. I usually wear this. I don't know why I forgot to put it on. No more mess. That's it. Hello, it's Emma from the future, currently editing this video, and this lovely freeze frame is actually the entirety of a whole clip that has corrupted, and all it is a silent screenshot of this screen. So I don't know what's happened, but all you're gonna miss is me mixing together the butter and the sugar until it's light and fluffy. But I don't know what happened there. What a week. Wow. This doesn't look nice, but at least you can see the bowl now. Crack in 2 of the eggs and beat until fully combined. God, I shouldn't be handling eggs in my fragile state. Whoop, in you go. Okay, I get to use my new handy ooh. Oh, so much zest. I feel like people are gonna come for me for how I zest. Never used a narrow zester before. Those are some well zested lemons. Genuinely thrilled with my new zester. Where were we? We've now got the zest. Sorry, I should have done that first. Anyway, now I need to add 2 more eggs. 1. Now I'm gonna add the flour. I think you just whack everything in now. Is it all the flour? Yep, all the flour. My whisk is dripping. I'm gonna do half for now. And then the second half. It also said the lemon zest, so I'm gonna pop that in now. We got the milk. I think I'm gonna do the rest by hand. I just wanna keep them as like light and airy as I can. So I'm trying not to knock out all the air. And then it says, gradually adding the milk to create a smooth batter. So what is wrong with me? Why did I not put this in something that actually pours? I put it in a bowl? In a small bowl. It's more aesthetically pleasing. It matches what we're baking, but I went for style over substance in this case, which is crazy. That doesn't sound like me at all. A little bit more. If I do end up ever making these again, I know Liz is gonna love these because she loves lemony things. So if she ever requests them, I'm gonna make my own lemon curd again. Because honestly, I think my homemade lemon curd was some of the best lemon curd I've ever tried, and I'm a big lover of lemon curd. Last bit of milk. Oh, my arms are aching because I have to hold them so high. It looks ridiculous that you guys are on this pedestal. Smells good. That looks bloody marvellous, if I do say so myself. Using a large metal spoon or a spatula, fold in the lemon curd until completely combined. I thought it'd be thicker than that, it just ran out. I'm gonna say it, I prefer mine. Mine was a little bit less sweet actually. I think I made mine a bit more tart, which I personally like my lemony things, not like crazy sweet. I wish you guys could see better because this looks really good. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is the mess around me. Hello. This looks so good. Yum. See, it says until completely combined. I would have thought they would want me to like marble it, but no. Pour the batter into prepared tin, batter spoon evenly, bake the sponge for 25 to 30 minutes. We're over here. I'm gonna pop this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I can't really show you, but it looks and smells amazing. So let me just put these in the oven. I did it again. You're supposed to take caster sugar out of the bag for the next step. So now there's loads of sugar in my cake. Now I need a little saucepan. Oh my God. That's so annoying. 50 grams of caster sugar, which you should have taken out of the sugar bag sachet that they sent. I didn't read it. So now we have loads of sugar in our cake. Is there such thing as too much? Probably. The juice of 1 lemon. You want to stir the syrup so it's nice and thick but not too thick. You want it to still be able to pour. And then when your cake is done, you just take it out of the oven, pierce it with loads of little holes, and then pour the syrup all over. And now I'm just gonna leave it there and let it cool for the next 20 minutes. Let it get cool enough to ice. I'm gonna clean up because I've made a mess as always, and charge my camera. And I'll see you guys in like half an hour to make the icing and finish this delightful cake. We're back, baby. It is time to make the icing, which is very simple. We have the fondant icing sugar. Whack this in. Let's go. Da, 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 da. I just clean the kitchen. It's really nice baking in a clean kitchen. Before I bake anything, you always got to clean the kitchen, even though you're about to make loads of mess. And then you clean it again afterwards. Twice as much effort, but I just find it more enjoyable. I have juiced in advance the 2nd or 3rd lemon. So there's a whole lemon juice in here. Add it bit by bit until it becomes... There's already mess again. Until it becomes a thick paste. It says you may not need all of the juice. To be honest, the lemons I got, some of the weakest lemons I've ever met. So I have a feeling that I might need more what I've got. Just like, I just missed the bowl. Maybe that was a sign actually. That's more like it, I think. Cute. Let me go get my cake. I have my cake. I am spreading this over. And I need to be careful not to tear the top, apparently. I teared the top. Oh no, I teared the top. It literally says so many times, careful not to tear the top. How am I supposed to not tear the top? Okay, it's not gonna be the prettiest, I'm sorry. It said to let it sit for 20 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. I will see you guys in 20 minutes and we can try a piece. Okay, it's all set. I don't know if you can hear that. Ignore the microphone. So this says it's meant to serve 12. So if I do 1, 2. Oh, guys. They look so bad. Praise that candied lemon slices will save the day. I don't know if they will, man. It's done. I did it. They're done. Okay, friends. I tried really hard. I fell at literally the last hurdle. The cutting. Who ruins the cake by cutting it messily? But I should have let it... I actually don't know what I did wrong. I let it cool for longer than they told me to. They look terrible. That's made me feel much better today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me bake. Do I give it a taste? It would be rude if I didn't, wouldn't it? Look at that. Oh yeah. Liz is gonna die over those. That is delicious. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much to Wild for sponsoring the first portion of this video. Like I said, use the code EMMA20 at checkout for 20% off. I will leave the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have the best day ever, and I will see you very, very soon. Oh, bye.